Canadian National Historic Site, Buchart Gardens is one of the world's premier floral show gardens. 55 acres are divided into 6 distinct areas that are a dog-walking dream come true. Over 900 varieties of bedding plants makes for a colorful landscape, but I wondered if Toby was seeing the same thing as I was. The most popular theory on a dog's vision is that it's a blue and yellow color scale. So if we're seeing this, he might be seeing that. Toby might be seeing different colors than I am, but he also has smell-o-vision and is enjoying a world far beyond my eyes. Clearly pet-friendly, we both felt welcome here, but it is a crowded place and excellent dog manners are mandatory. If you like what you've seen so far, please like us on Facebook for regular updates and cool behind the scenes. Thanks for watching and see you on our next adventure.